I'm also a business development consultant for Radiant Heart, a lifestyle and longevity practice that teaches you how to retrain your gut, brain, metabolism, and nervous system using personalized and comprehensive approaches to achieve long-term and sustainable health success. So what I mean by personalized and comprehensive is that our founder, functional nutritionist, and behavior change coach, Christine, takes the time to get to know you, your health history, your environment, your lifestyle behaviors, and then comes up with a personalized strategy that meets your needs. And not only do we work with individuals one-on-one and in our hybrid group coaching programs, but we also work with businesses who truly care about the health and well-being of their employees, because we're able to devise customized workshops and do interactive presentations that contributes to workplace wellness and helps to improve employee retention. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or you want to schedule a free health consultation, otherwise known as a clarity call, with Christine, our founder, functional nutritionist, and behavior change coach, please feel free to contact me by clicking on the link within my bio or clicking on the link within the video description. My name is Brandon Drake, business development consultant for Radiant Heart, aka the Healthy Data Guy, because I believe in using data to make informed health decisions.